Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is based on computer keyboard. Okay, we are going to know about keyboard and its different keys in detail. So please watch this video till the end to know about different types of keys. Okay, now it's time to learn about keyboard. Look at the picture on your screen. This is the picture of keyboard and it has many buttons called keys. कंप्यूटर कीबोर्ड पे जो भी बटन्स अवेलेबल होते हैं उन्हें हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं कीज एंड वी यूज दिस कीज टू टाइप समथिंग ऑन द कंप्यूटर ओके you know well what are the use of keyboard. If you want to type anything on your computer, then we can use the keyboard and it has 104 keys in it. Total number of keys 104. Okay, and there are different types of keys to perform different tasks. You can see the picture. There are several type of keys and they perform different types of tasks. Okay, as our requirement. Now students, it's time to know about different types of keys that are available on your keyboard. That is, first one is alphabet keys, second one is number keys, third one is special keys, and fourth one is function keys. As you can see the picture of keyboard, they are shown in different types of color. Like first one, alphabet keys are displayed with brown color, number keys are displayed in pink color, special keys are displayed in yellow color, and function keys are displayed with blue color. Okay, you can identify the different type of keys by the help of different colors. Okay, alphabet keys, number keys, special keys, and function keys. Now we are going to learn about alphabet keys. As you know, there are 26 alphabet keys are available on the keyboard. Okay, you can see in the picture alphabet keys are started from Q and end with M. Okay, these all are called alphabet keys. As you know, there are 26 alphabets in English letter. Like that, on the computer keyboard, there are 26 alphabet keys are available to write alphabets. Okay, if you want to write any type of sentence, word, okay, then you can use it as per your requirement. Now it's time to know about number keys. Number keys are used to type numbers. Okay, like your home number, your roll number, your admission number. These are the different types of use of number keys. Number keys are situated in two places. First one is upper part of the keyboard and second one is right side of the keyboard. You can use any one of them as per your requirement. Now students, we are going to learn about space bar key. This is an example of special key. Okay, as you can see the picture, this is the picture of space bar key that is highlighted by yellow color. Okay, this is the longest key on the keyboard and you know well what is the function of space bar key. This is used to give space between two characters, words or sentences. Okay, so this is the use of space bar key. Now we are going to learn about enter key. As you can see the picture on your screen, there are two enter keys are available on your keyboard. Okay, first one is middle of the keyboard and second one is right side of the keyboard. Both keys have same function. Okay, when we want to change the line, then we can use the enter key. Okay, when you completed one line, then if you want to go another line, then you press enter key. Now look at this picture. This is the picture of caps lock key. Okay, as you know, caps lock key is used to type capital letters. If you want to type in capital letters, then first you must turn on the caps lock key. It is also called toggle key. Why it is called toggle key? Because you turn on or off this key. So it is also called toggle key. So it is very easy to use and very important key on your keyboard. If you want to type letters in capital, then first you must press the caps lock key on. Now students, it's time to know about arrow keys. First, you must look at on your screen. Arrow keys are highlighted by yellow color. Okay. How many arrow keys are situated on your keyboard? There are 4 arrow keys. As you can see on the picture, that is up, down, left and right. Arrow keys are also called cursor control keys or cursor moving keys. Why? Because you can move on your screen in up, down, left and right by the help of arrow keys. Okay. So these are the function of arrow keys. If you want to move on your screen, then you must press the arrow keys as per your requirement. Okay students, now we are going to know about delete key. Okay, delete key is also known as eraser key. Why? Because this key is erases the letters to the right of the cursor. आपका कर्सर स्क्रीन पे जिस जगह पे है उससे राइट साइड में अगर आप कोई भी कैरेक्टर को, वर्ड को या सेंटेंस को डिलीट करना चाहते हैं तो आप किस की का यूज़ कीजिएगा? डिलीट की. सो डिलीट की इज ऑल्सो नोन एज इरेजर की. It erases the letters to the right side of your cursor. You can see the picture of delete key on the screen. This is highlighted by the yellow color. Okay. There is one delete key on your keyboard. Now students, we are going to learn about shift key. You can see the picture of shift key. There are 2 shift keys are present on the keyboard. First one is left side of the keyboard and second one is middle of the keyboard. And what is the use of shift key? First one, if you type capital letters, okay, then you must press first shift key, then alphabet keys. And second use, shift key is used to type special symbols written on the upper side of the number keys and some other keys. If you want to type special symbols, then you can use the shift key. So shift key is also known as combination key. Okay. So students, these are the some example of special keys. I hope you are able to understand these special keys. Okay students, now it's time to know about function keys. These are the also important keys available on your keyboard. That is available from F1 to F12. As you can see in the picture that is on the screen, These keys are highlighted by blue color. Okay. These keys are used for the different functions in different programs, and these are found at the top of the keyboard. Total number of function keys are 12. Okay, and each keys has its own function. As for example, F1 key is used to take help in any program. Okay, like that each keys has different types of function. Okay students, I hope you are able to understand about function keys and alphabet keys, number keys and special keys. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video then please subscribe this channel and share it. And also if you have any confusion then please comment me in comment box. Okay, thank you so much.